Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, we will be discussing a very fascinating poem of English, Medical Textbook, Unit 2, Poem Birds Talk. See children, there is a various poem for kids which are based on plants, birds, animals, people and their conversation. Today you will come to know about birds which will arouse your interest in poem to gain knowledge. In this poem, you will come to know about the birds talking among themselves. The birds talk in one such poem wherein two birds are in conversation with each other about their capabilities. There is a lot of ways in which birds communicate with each other. They either sing, talk, dance, cuddle, or fight with each other. See, children, even we talk with each other when we sit in a group. We keep on chatting with each other. We carry some topic which is funny, and then we start laughing, and then we start singing also some of the times. Okay, in this way, birds also do the same thing. They sit, they talk among themselves. Okay, see, children, in this poem, these two birds are they are talking about we humans, how these humans are and how we are. We do this, we do that, humans do this, humans do that. They are discussing about humans. Okay children, birds talk is basically a conversation between two birds sitting in a garden wherein they are discussing how they differ from human beings. They boast of the fact that they have feathers which humans do not possess. Besides, they also mention that they have wings and like sitting on wires and things which humans are incapable of doing. Having said that, they feel that they enjoy more freedom than human beings as they can fly away with their wings to any place they want to. Yes, children. See, children, they are saying that we can move here and there without any without any restrictions. Human beings have restrictions. They cannot move here and there. They have restrictions for each and everything, but we birds, we don't have any sort of restrictions. We can move here and there. We can go anywhere without any difficulty. Okay children, come on, let's discuss this poem line by line. See, in first para, it is given, things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. See, there are two birds. Their name is Robin and Jay. They are talking among themselves on a branch of a tree which is in the garden. And they are having conversation among themselves. Let's see what conversation they are having. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers, that all you know. They are talking that just think about the people. They are talking among themselves and they are saying, think about the people, how they grow. How they grow, they don't have feathers, they don't have wings, they don't have feet like us. We can sit on branches, we can fly all over with our wings, but humans don't have that. They cannot move as the way we move. Move on to the next one. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. They are discussing how these humans are. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't have wings with which they can go here and there by flying. They don't like sitting on wires and things. How these humans are, they even don't like sitting on wires, and they don't like sitting on trees. They don't like sitting on things which are very thin. We humans cannot sit like the birds. They can sit anywhere, but we humans cannot. Yes children. The next, things said the robin, things said the jay, aren't people funny to be that way? They are saying, think Robin, think Jay. Just think how these people are. They are so funny, how they are living their life, and we are so blessed that we are living our life so nicely. We can fly here and there, we can chat among by sitting on different branches, we can eat fruits which are there on the trees. But these humans, they cannot do anything. They are thinking that we humans are very poor, then they are very rich in this matter. Okay, children, we have discussed about the poem very minutely. Come, children, let's sing a poem, and you are requested to sing it along with me. Let's start up. Thinks at the robin, thinks at the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Thinks at the robin, thinks at the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about the people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow things, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Things at the robin, things at the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Things at the robin, things at the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Aren't people funny to be that way? And this fascinating poem is written by Ellen Fisher. Thank you, children.